Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 2021. First, open your browser and search Office Development Tool. Now, go to this official Microsoft website and download Office Development Tool. Next, search Office Customization Tool and open that official website. Choose your system type 32-bit or 64-bit. You can check this in your system properties. Then select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 or 2024. Now choose the apps you want to install. For example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. Click Next. Now select your language and click Next again. Scroll down and click Next. Scroll down and click Next. Then click Finish. Click Export. Make sure to choose Office Open XML. Accept agreements and click Export. OK, configuration file have downloaded. Create a new folder on your C drive and name it Office 2021. Move the both downloaded files into that folder. If you already have another version of Office package, uninstall every apps related to Office package. Okay, now run the Office Development Tool. Select the file path as your Office 2021 folder. Next, open your search bar, type CMD and run it as an administrator. Copy your Office 2021 folder path, open command prompt, type cd space and paste your folder path and press enter. Now you are inside the Office folder. Type this command setup.exe space / configure / space configuration.xml and press enter. Now installation process will begin. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it is done, click Close. Go to your search bar and open any Office app like Word or Excel. Accept the agreement and you are good to go. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. See you in next video. Goodbye.